Hi, I'm Skylar. If you've got an alias, a Mac alias, and you want to use that as your default email address when sending mail from mail.app in Mountain Lion, the easiest way to do it is by opening up Mail and go to Mail in the upper left, then click Preferences, and click Accounts, or rather, sorry, Composing. Under Composing, you'll see Addressing. And right here it says Send New Messages From. Click it, and then click whichever email address you want to use. So for example, my alias. I click it, and now when I compose a new message, close this, by default, it's being sent from my alias. Simple as that. If I want to change it, I can very easily click on this menu and select a different email address. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.